Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the accountancy class. We have started the first unit, accounting for not-for-profit organization, and we have completed the receipts and payment account. Now we are in the preparation of income and expenditure account. In the last class, have given you the illustration 3. We have solved only one problem under income and expenditure account, and I have showed you the third problem in the textbook. It's a second problem in your notes. Hope so you have written it in your notes. I'll show you once again and I'll explain the problem for you. This was the problem I have given you on that day. The problem is like this. From the following receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st, 2015 of Nagy's Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the same period. So they have given us the receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st, 2015 of Nagy's Club. The items are like this. The expenditure and income. The expenditure includes balance carried down that they have given as bank 25,000, and the subscription they have given for 3 years, that is for 2013, 14 and 15. 2013 is 1500 and the 14 is 10,000, 15 is 500, so it comes to 12,000. Donation 2,000, hall rent 300, interest on bank deposits 450, entrance fees 1,000. So these are the items under expenditure on the debit side. So let us move to the credit side. We will see the items under income statement. Purchase of furniture on 1/7/2014, it is 5,000. Salaries 2,000. Telephone expenses 300. Electricity charges 600. Postage and stationery 150. Purchase of books 2,500. Entertainment expenses 900. Purchase of 5% government papers on 1/7/14, it's 8,000. Miscellaneous expenses 600 and the balance carried down. Under that the cash is 300 and the bank 20,400. So the total is 4750 and 4750. Now in this problem they have given us the additional information which has to be deducted or added when we are preparing the income and expenditure account. So now I'll explain you about the additional information. Go one by one. Salaries outstanding rupees 1,500 they have given. So the outstanding has to be added. In the receipt and payment account they have given the second items as salaries 2,000 they have given. So we have to add the outstanding while preparing the income and expenditure 1,500. So this is first point. The second point is entertainment expenses outstanding. So this is also outstanding. We need to add this entertainment expenses to the given entertainment expenses in the receipts and payment account. The third point is bank interest receivable. So we are receiving the interest, we are receiving the income. So they have given interest on bank deposits 450. So we have to add this interest receivable 150 as we are receiving it, as this is a income for us. So next, subscription accrued. As I have already said you, while preparing the income and expenditure account, we have to consider only the current year. So 14-15 is a current year. So we have to take a 10,000 which has been given under the year 2014. So we need to add subscription accrued 400 for that 10,000. This is the subscription accrued point. The next one is 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. While I was explaining about the income and expenditure, what is about income and expenditure account, I have said you that only revenue items has to be taken in the income and expenditure account. So the capitalized or the capital items will be excluded in the income and expenditure account. So as the fifth point says that 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. So we will be taking only 50% of entrance fees as a revenue while calculating income and expenditure account. So the next one is furniture is to be depreciated at 10% per annum. I said you that purchase of furniture under income. We need not to take the purchase of furniture as it is an asset and will be using, but the depreciation is an expenditure for us. The value of the furniture will come down as we will be using in the company. Okay, so the depreciation at 10% we need to take in the income and expenditure, but the purchase of furniture we need not to take. Okay, then see the date they have given as 1/7/14. In the receipts and payment account, the first item under income is purchase of furniture. In the brackets, they have given as 1/7/14. So from 1/7/14 to 31st March 2015, we have to calculate it. Okay. From 7, you have to calculate till March 2015. So it comes to 9 months. So here we have to take 5,000 into 10/100 into 9/12. So only for the 9 months we are depreciating the furniture. So this is about the problem. Now I will show you how to solve the problem. So look at this and take it into your notes. Solve yourself, so I'll be confident for the exams. Okay, I've given you already the pro forma. Please follow the pro forma while calculating income and expenditure accounts. Go one by one so that you will not miss any of the items here. So we have to prepare in the books of Nagy's Club. Solution. In the books of Nagy's Club, income and expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2015. So take the pro forma, debit side and the credit side. Debit side, you have to record the expenditure items, and the credit side, you have to record the income items. It is the golden rule of accounting, as you all know, you have studied in first PUC. Debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Okay, let us start. We have to take all income which is given in the receipt and payment side. We have to take it here as a expenditure. Okay, the very first one is purchase of furniture. We'll see it later. We have to calculate a depreciation for it. The second one is salary. Salaries, they have given you 2,000. In the additional information, look at the problem. In the additional information, the very first point is salaries outstanding. So add the outstanding salary. They have given us 1,500. So 2,000 plus 1,500 is 3,500. The total salary while we are preparing income and expenditure account is salaries which has been given in the receipts and payment account plus the outstanding salary which has been given in the additional information. So add both and make the total. It will come to 3,500. This is about the salary. Next, let us go. They have given as telephone exchange. So there is nothing additional information about telephone exchange. So directly take it as 300 which has been given in the receipt and payment account. The next item is electricity charges. So they have not been mentioned in the additional information about electricity charges. So take directly 600. The next item is postage and stationery. Postage and stationery, there is no additional information. So 150 directly we can take. The next item is purchase of books. We need not to take the purchase of books. It is an asset for the company. We are not reselling it or we are not giving to anybody. These books will be in the reference. So we need not to take the purchase of books. The next item is entertainment expenses. So entertainment expenses. See the additional information. For the entertainment expenses, they have given the outstanding. So entertainment expense is 900 rupees. So add the outstanding for it which is given in the additional information. They have given 500. So add 900 plus 500 is 1,400. The next item is the miscellaneous expenses. So the next item in the receipt and payment account is the purchase of 5% of government papers. It's a government papers. It will be a capital item. So we need not to take the purchase of 5% government papers. So next we will move on to the next item, that is miscellaneous expenses. Miscellaneous expenses, they have given as 600. Take it directly as 600. They have not given any additional information. So I have said you under receipt and payment account, they have given us purchase of furniture on 1/7/14. We need not to take the amount that we have purchased. We need to calculate the depreciation of furniture as it is an expenditure for us. So let us calculate the depreciation on furniture. As I have said you, they have purchased on 1/7/14. So we have to take it into account from 1/7/14 to 31/3/2015. So the amount is 5,000. The worth of furniture is 5,000. They have given as in the additional information. Look at the additional information. The last point they have given as furniture is to be depreciated at 10% per annum. They have given for per annum. So 10 by 100. We are using the furniture for only 9 months. Calculate 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Jan, Feb, March. We have to consider 2015 Jan, Feb, March as the financial accounting year is from April to March. So it comes to 9. 9 by 12. So calculated 5,000 into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. You will get 375. So take only 375 for the depreciation of furniture. So only these are the items under income. We have transferred it to the expenditure. Now let us come to the expenditure side under receipt and payment. Please correct, there is a mistake in the question they have given. They would have mentioned as receipts in the place of expenditure and the payments in the place of income. Please correct it in the question. So we have to transfer the payment items into expenditure and receipts item into income. Please change it. Now let us come under the receipt side. They have given us balance carried down bank. I already said you that we should not take any balance carried down at bank, though it is not a income for the organization. So let us go to subscriptions. Yes, we have to take the subscriptions. Only we have to take the current year subscription, that is 2014. So they have given us 10,000. See the additional information. They have given subscriptions accrued. So we have to add the accrued subscription, that is 400 they have given. So total it and write it under last column as 10,400. The next item is donation. There is no additional information, so take directly donation 2,000 rupees. The next item is hall rent. There is no additional information about the hall rent, so you can take it directly 300. The next one is interest on bank deposits. Interest on bank deposits. It is 450. Carefully see the given additional information. They have given us bank interest received. So we need to add the interest received. So they have given us 150. The total is 600. 450 plus 150 is 600. The next one is entrance fees. Entrance fees. They have given us 1,000 rupees, but see the additional information. In the additional information, 5th point, they have given us 50% of entrance fees is to be capitalized. So take 1,000 into 50%. Okay, in 100%, if 50% goes down, it comes to 50%, which is the 50% is capitalized amount and the 50% is revenue amount. So while preparing the expenditure and income account, we have to consider only the revenue item. So 1,000 1000 into 50% comes to 500. Take only 500 into the consideration, only the revenue item, while calculating the income and expenditure account. Okay. So these are the items we have transferred it from receipt and payment account to expenditure and income account. Let us see the total now. 3500, 300, 600, 150, 1400, 600, 375. It comes to 6925. Under income, 10,400, 2,300, 10,400, 2,300, 600, 500. It comes to 13,800. So expenditure side is less when compared to the income. So when excess of income over expenditure, we have to close it as surplus. So balance the figure. This is a balancing figure. So 13,800 minus 6,925 comes to 6,875. So we have the surplus of 6,875. Now close the account. The total is 13,800, 13,800. So this is the solution for the problem. Hope you have understood the solution. In next class, we will be going through the balance sheet, the preparation of balance sheet, the last accounting record, which will be followed by the not-for-profit organization, and we will be winding up with this first unit. Okay, take the screenshot of it and take it down in your notes. Solve the problem. Just don't copy the problem. Try to solve the problem. Hope you have taken the screenshot. Let's wind up today. Tomorrow we'll be dealing with the balance sheet, the last record, accounting record, which will be followed by not-for-profit organization. Thank you.